Welcome back, guys. If you can remember, a few months ago I had the guitar coming in, the Telecaster modern play come with for a setup, but also had the low nut slot. As you can see, it's in pretty bad shape. The owner also came with this tusk nut. I'm not sure if it will be the correct one. Nevertheless, we'll take the nut out and see. First things first, let's take the nut out, protecting the fingerboard and the headstock. These guitars have this kind of this vintage looking lacquer, and it's quite brittle, so it can peel off really easy. So first thing is I clean the slots here around the nut because it has lacquer attached. So with a few blades I will clean it up, try to disconnect it the most as I can from the nut, and also on the side there's a bit of lacquer covering the nut, so I have to clean all this up. It's quite a battle, but it's worth it because otherwise all the lacquer can break. Almost there, the nut is coming out now. It was quite a fight. And like I predicted, it was not the correct one. This is the original nut. You can see it has straight edge on the bottom, and is about 3 millimeters, and the other one has the curvature. I think they are mostly used for American ones, American Fenders. So I had this blank of vintage looking low nut. It's a little bit more thick, but I will cut a new one, and we'll see. For the nut, because it's like 2 millimeters less than this one, the way that I will put it on the correct measure is using a file, a straight file. So already in place. I'm just giving some final touches, and then we'll mark it off to cut the slots for the strings. I will use the old nut to measure. He's using 10, so I'm just selecting the correct files for the job. I use Ibanez nut files. They are not cheap, but they are not the most expensive ones either. And normally you can buy sets of them for specific sets of strings. A little bit more tape to protect the fingerboard. I'm sorry guys, the camera ran out of battery and I didn't realize. But here's the final result. It has a bit of lacquer that came off on the top part of the neck, and that's a risk that we had to take anyway. Looks much better, plays much better, and it has a lot more sustain. That's it, guys. I hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have any comments or suggestions, please leave it on the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.